Welcome back to It's Success Agarwal. I have completed 1 year on YouTube. So to celebrate, we are going to make a dessert named Fruitsli Sundae. Fruitsli means fruit plus muesli. It is delicious and easy to make and has a high nutritional value which makes it healthy too. You can eat it as a snack or breakfast or as a dessert. It's absolutely delicious and let's make it. We need is this hunker, and to make it sweet I have added some sugar, some pomegranate, robza, muesli, banana, mango and dry fruit. First let's add some robza in it. Now let's add some whisk hunker. Now let's add some muesli in it. Now time for some mangoes. Now time for some more whisk hunker. Now let's add some pomegranate. Now time for some muesli. Now let's add some whisk hunker. Time for some bananas now. Now some dry fruits. And some robza. Wow, looking delicious, isn't it? Looking delicious, isn't it? It's delicious in taste too. Hope you enjoyed my video. Tell me about your experience in the comment section below. Like, subscribe and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.